We all have about 43, 45 muscles in our face, but only 10 are involved in our daily basic facial expression to communicate feelings and emotions. After 50, the tone of these muscles decrease. And that's why today I'm going to share with you 10 exercises to restore them the strength and function. Are you ready? Let's get started. We're going to do these exercises for 10 times, all right? Let's start with the first one. You're going to raise your eyebrows like when you are surprised. Hold this position for 2 seconds and then down. Relax and then up and down. Let's do it together. 1, down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. 10. Good job. For the second, you're gonna squeeze hard your eyes and then open as big as possible. All right, let's do it together. 1 and open. 2 and open. 3 and open. 4, open. 5, open. 6, open. 7, open. 8, open. 9, open. And 10, and open. Good job. Third exercise, alternated wink. So you're gonna close one eye when the other one is totally open and then switch and switch. All right, let's do it together. 1, 2, and switch. 3, and switch. 4, and switch. 5, switch. 6, switch. 7, switch. 8, switch. 9, switch. And 10, switch. Exercise number 4, bad smell nose. You're gonna lift your nose like this. All right, let's do it together. 1 and down. 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, down. 7, down. 8, down. 9, down. And 10, down. Very good. Exercise number 5, alternated puff cheek. You're gonna puff up one cheek like this and then switch to the other side. All right, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Exercise number 6. Put your lips together and then move them one side and then to the other one, like this. Okay, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Exercise number 7, lip bite. You're gonna bite your lower lip and then Switch to the upper lip, like this. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. We call this one AU. It's the same sound, A and then U, AU. Let's do it together. 1, AU. 2, AU. 3, AU. 4, AU. 5, AU. 6, AU. 7, AU. 8, AU. 9, AU. And 10, AU. Good job. Exercise number 9. Exaggerated smile. Let's do it like this. And relax. And relax. All right? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And exercise number 10. Sad to happy. We're going to keep our lips together and go from here to here. From this position to this position. All right? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. Remember, this is not magic. Results come with consistency, just like with any other muscles in your body. Do it every day in front of a mirror for 5 minutes, and in a few weeks, you will notice your face looking more active, more expressive, and more alive. If you have learned something new today, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I will be sharing more information for people over 50 like you and me. See you in the next video.